Hi, everybody. This is Cindy at Lulu's Treasure Trove, and I hope everybody's having a great day today. Whether you're new to my channel or you've been here for a long time, I want to welcome you in or welcome you back. This is a part of my outdoor vlogging, and also we're having a surprise at the end. So I hope you will stick around and enjoy this outdoor vlog with me. This is just a little ride that me and my son took, and he was driving, and I was sort of enjoying the view, and I wanted to capture some of this view for all of you guys, because a lot of my peeps say that they love seeing the outdoors and enjoying outdoor vlogging and ride-alongs. So here's some beautiful clouds that I have captured. And even though they're kind of gray, they still look pretty cool. A lot of people like looking at the clouds and trying to, find different shapes and whatnot. So I thought I would just do this little film for you guys. And then after I got done filming this, I said, well, I think this would be a great premiere video for me to do for my Christmas in July giveaway. I've been wanting to do a Christmas in July giveaway all month long. And so that is my plan for this video. And we'll go over the details for that a little bit later on in the video. That right there is a very old cemetery that's located in Valonia, Arkansas, which is where I live. Some of those graves are very old. I'm not sure exactly how old, because I've really never gotten, out there walking around to look at dates or anything. I think Arkansas is full of old cemeteries. You probably have a lot of old cemeteries where you're located as well. We did end up getting just a little bit of rain from these clouds, but not much. I think these trees are beautiful. It wasn't very long ago that it's been some years now, a few years, maybe, I don't know exactly how many years, but it's been quite a few years. The time is really flying by, that we've had tornadoes that run through this area. And so if you see some of these trees, you can tell that they were kind of broken, maybe ripped up by the tornadoes, and then the leaves started to grow back. All in all, it's a beautiful area out here, and I love living in the country. It's not so far out in the country that we don't have, other folks and neighbors and whatnot. But it's enough in the country where you can still see the beautiful trees and all. I slowed the camera down so you guys could get a better view. So hopefully you don't get, kind of, if you're dizzy, you may not want to watch this part of the video. This is just the first half of the video. And it does have movement. So if this type of movement, makes you feel kind of dizzy or whatever, you may not want to watch this part. But I used to get car sick when I was a little girl. I always had to ride in the front seat. So I am filming this from the front seat. I was capturing that right there. That is those cane. It's called cane, where they chop that down and make cane fishing poles. So I was capturing that cane. I think it's pretty. And then, of course, we got some cows out there, cows and horses. They're always beautiful to look at. So I never did mind driving. I used to love driving. I drove everywhere doing in-home health care as a registered nurse, seeing folks in their homes. And that's one thing that I miss, is the driving and all the beautiful scenery that comes along with it. And of course, there goes the trusty FedEx truck. I think nowadays you probably see those everywhere, even in the country. Yep, those FedEx trucks really get around. And here's some farmers out here. They have these huge bales of hay on the back of their tractor trailers. And, of course, the house with the white picket fence. That fence got tore all to heck when that hurricane ran through. I think I showed you guys that. So there's some crows that I captured on the outside of my window. So I just want to thank you guys for being here with me and sticking through me with that ride. Now, let's get along with this Christmas in July giveaway. Of course, you got to be 18 years and older to enter, and it has to be legal wherever you live to enter. Now, this is just part of the goodies that's going to go into the giveaway. And there's going to be 2 people that are going to win. I'm going to pick 2 winners. So one winner's going to get these little cute containers, and one winner's going to get the big container. So to me, they're both beautiful. I thought about picking 3 winners, so I might do that too. I might pick 3 winners and have one winner get one of those little containers, another winner get that one, and then another one get the bigger tin container. But this beautiful red ice yarn is going to be in the giveaway. YouTube's not affiliated with the giveaway. And this beautiful red, white, and blue yarn is going to be involved with this giveaway. Now, this isn't all the yarn that's going to be in here, or goodies. Maybe all the yarn, but it ain't going to be all the goodies involved. Going to add a few more items in there. So make sure to read all the description area, because there's going to be important rules in that description area. And also, I'm going to pick a special word that you need to enter. It's going to be holidays. So thanks for watching, and I love you all. Bye for now, everybody.